Hello and welcome back to Pating Reviews. Today we'll be reviewing the sports wireless earphones by this particular brand right here. The reason why I got these headphones for myself is I like to go running and I need some headphones that will stay in my ears while I run. And I need ones that are waterproof as well. And so I thought that these would fit the bill, so I'm checking them out right now. So a couple of the features of these particular Bluetooth wireless headphones is that they're waterproof, IPX7. They're secure and comfortable. How they work is they will loop over your ears, so they'll stay in place for a long period of time and not fall out like the little earbuds that go right into your ear itself. So what we'll do here is we'll open up the package and take a closer look at these earbuds. So as I mentioned, they're waterproof. They actually have a built-in microphone and they have wireless connectivity as well. So here's the inside of the box, and this is what it comes with inside. So it's got some instructions of how to use them, and then it actually comes with a nice little carrying pouch here. It has a little black and a little red and a zipper around here, so you can store your headphones when you're not using them. And then when you open it up here, you have your headphones right here with a cable between the two earbuds, and then you have a charging cable here as well, and there's a couple extras here as well. So the earbuds itself that go on the earpiece, they go into your ear itself. There's extra heads here, and they also have some more of those as well. So there's a whole bunch of them that you can use as replacements, and the charging cable that comes with this headphones as well to recharge them. So these headphones can last up to 16 hours while using them, and they're recharged within a few hours. Usually what I like to do is once they die, I'll plug them in at nighttime, charge them overnight, and they'll be good to go in the morning. So let's take a closer look at these headphones. So these headphones come in a variety of different colors, from black, blue, pink, dark black, and a two set of black as well. As I mentioned, with a single charge, they can last up to 16 hours, and they only take a few hours to charge them back up. They have Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, and you can take calls with these headphones because they have a built-in microphone. They have very nice sound quality that goes from a wide range of very quiet to very loud, and some decent bass as well. So I really like these headphones for the quality that they produce and how secure and snug they fit on your ears when you're doing outdoor activities like running or playing sports outdoors, because they're waterproof, very comfortable to wear for long periods of time, and stay snug on your ears. So here's a closer look at what these sports wireless headphones look like. So you just take them like this, put them over top of your ear, put them into your ear, and they're very firm and snug in your ears. There's a cable here that goes around your neck here, and they're very snug and firm into your ears. And then all you need to do is there's a button on the side here. You press this button and hold it. It will turn on, it'll beep, and it'll say it's connecting. And then you need to turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and pair a new device, and then you will get this phone headphones to connect to your phone, and then you'll be set to go. And it's as easy as that. And then you press the button and hold it down again to turn it off if you want. And then underneath here, there's a little charge port when the battery dies. So you pull the little rubber off here, put the charge port, and charge it back up here. And then there's also some up and down arrows on the top here to increase or decrease the volume as well. So you can use these headphones actually for receiving calls because it has a microphone on it as well. So you can take calls and talk through these microphones, waterproof, and they're Bluetooth, and they're very secure and will stay in your ears without any issues. If you want to do sports, running, or any outdoor activities, these would be perfect for that as well. And they have good sound quality as well. They go wide range of volume and have some decent bass as well, which I like about these headphones. So that's my review of these headphones. Thanks for watching this review by Pating Reviews. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.